Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Section 190 CRPC provides that subject to the provisions of Chapter 14 of the Code, any magistrate of the first class and any magistrate of the second class specifically empowered in this behalf may take cognizance of any offence upon receipt of a complaint, facts of which constitute such offence, upon a police report of such facts or upon information received from any person other than a police officer, or upon his own knowledge, that such offence has been committed. Stop para. The Chief Judicial Magistrate is competent to empower any magistrate of the second class to take cognizance in terms of Section 190 CRPC. Stop. The competence to take cognizance, in a way, discloses the sources upon which the empowered magistrate can take cognizance. Stop. After the investigation has been completed by the investigating officer and he has prepared a report without unnecessary delay in terms of Section 173 CRPC, he shall forward his report to magistrate who is empowered to take cognizance on a police report. Stop. The report so completed should satisfy the requirements started under clauses A to H of subsection 2 of Section 173 CRPC. Stop. Upon receipt of the report, the empowered magistrate shall proceed further in accordance with law. Stop. The investigating officer has been vested with some definite powers in relation to the manner in which the report should be completed. Stop. It is required that all the documents on which the prosecution purposes to rely and the statements of witnesses recorded under Section 161 CRPC accompany the report submitted before the magistrate, unless some part thereof is excluded by the investigating officer in exercise of the powers vested in him under Section 173(6) of the Code. Stop. A very wide power is vested in the investigating agency to conduct further investigation after it has the report in terms of Section 173(2) CRPC. Stop para. The legislature has specifically used the expression nothing in this section shall be deemed to preclude further investigation in respect of an offence after a report under Section 173(2) CRPC has been forwarded to the magistrate, which unambiguously indicates the legislative intent that even after filing of a report before the court of competent jurisdiction, the investigating officer can still conduct further investigation, and where, upon such investigation, the officer in charge of a police station gets further evidence, oral or documentary, he shall forward to the magistrate a further report of reports regarding such evidence in the prescribed form. Stop. In other words, the investigating agency is competent to file a supplementary report to its primary report in terms of Section 173(8) CRPC. Stop.